Hi, these days to understand how the stock market works or to learn how to trade stocks just like a professional trader, it's become really hard because to understand it, either you have to have a degree in finance or you have to pay a lot of money who has it. And I have been seeing many courses and mentors who've been charging 5,000 to 5 lakhs, and it's a lot of money, right? Not everyone can offer. Then what is the solution? So this is why Blu Leo has decided to create YouTube online course where people can learn how to trade stocks just like a professional trader without spending any money. You don't need to have a demat account to learn this. How good is it, right? It's really exciting, right? And we are really exciting to bring this to you guys. And this course going to be in a video sequence, so make sure you are watching each video when we upload, and for that make sure you hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon. And in this video you're going to learn three basics which every traders must know. So the first basic, you're going to learn how to read the chart. It's going to be basic. And the second, how to understand what is buy low and sell high. And the third, what is volatility. Now let's have a look at the first basics, which is how to read the chart, and it's going to be very basic, so I'm not going to be in technical, so I don't want to make this video very technical. I'm just keeping beginners in the mind, so this video just to make you understand how the chart works and what exactly you will see in the charts. And the first, for getting chart, we need to have a platform, right? Either you have to have a broker account or you have to have some place where you can get the access for the charts. And for that we have a place, actually it is on a website, and this website has a lot of good tools which is really important for anyone to become a professional profitable trader. And the website where you're going to learn, it is called Investingcom. And trust me guys, this website really cool, and it has a lot of stuff, and I will show you in this video sequence how you can use these tools effectively to understand the market or to learn how to trade the stock just like a professional trader. Now firstly, let's have a look at investing.com. So this is the investing.com, the interface. This is like you will see, and the first thing, we need to have an account to start with. The creating account is really easy. So to create that, you click in the free sign up portal, and all you have to do, you need to have an email for this, or the Facebook account, or your personal any other email. So I'm gonna choose Gmail, and it's only one click away, and I'm gonna select my account. Bam. So there we go. I just sign up in a few seconds. And once we sign up, first we need to learn how to open a chart. To open a chart, you need to go in the search box and type your stock that you wanted to follow. For example, I'm going to type Tata Motors, and make sure you are selecting NSE. So once we select the Tata Motors, this is how you look. So end of this video sequences, you will be able to read all these numbers, all this information that you're looking in this website. Firstly, we need to understand how to read the chart or how to understand the chart. So if you scroll down, you can see here a basic chart, and also there will be a lot of popped up ads coming, because this website, since it's free, so you will be getting a lot of ads. Make sure you are just ignoring them. This is what the basic chart, and we need a little better version of it. So for that you have to click on the technical chart, so do that. So this is the technical chart, and to make it even better, we need to click in the full screen mode. So make sure you click this icon, and now you can see the chart become really big, and it's really easy to understand. In the chart, the first thing you need to understand, on the right side what you're seeing, the scale. So this scale we call price scale. So this is the price, what you're seeing in the numbers 60, 70, 80, 90. This all price of the stock, 60 rupees, 70 rupees, 80 rupees, 90 rupees, 100 rupees. And below that what you're seeing, this is called time scale, and the time scale will tell you what day, what year, what month, what time, exactly which day. You can go back, you can see the time. And here what we are seeing, this is the chart, this is the area chart. So to make it easier, what I'll do, I'll shift this into the candlestick chart, and candlestick chart is the most commonly used chart across the globe, so most of the traders using it, and it's easy to understand. So once we click into the candlestick, you can see you're seeing a lot of colors candles, which is green and the red. So green candle represent when the price is going upwards. When the price open low and the price when it's close higher, then it will create a green candle, and it's also called as a bull market. Maybe you hear in the news channel or paper today, Nifty was bull market, the bull are ruling the market, which means the price is going upwards. The next comes a red candle. When the price open higher and the price close lower, then it will create a red candle, and red candle also called as a bear market or the bearish market. And what I'm saying here, I'm only showing you the basics, and next what we are going to see is a time frame. So right now if you go to here, this is called a time frame. What you're seeing, 5 minutes, 1 hour, a day, 1 month, and 1 day. And also if you click on this arrow mark, and you will see there is a lot of time frames you are seeing: 1 minute, 5 minutes, and a 15 minutes. What it means here right now, it's in a 1 day time frame, which means each candle representing 1 day. So each candle, what you're seeing, even the smaller a bigger candle, each candle representing 1 day time, a 1 day price action, what happened for the particular day. When you break down, you can see it even 1 minute. If you go, you can see a lot of candle again, a lot of price action again. So there will be a lot of price drop and up, gain and losing. So this is how the graph works, and this is just a basics. Apart from this, there is other stuff is there. So if you're going to learn this in the upcoming videos, so you're going to learn each and everything what you're seeing inside these charts, and this is just the basics. The next what we're going to learn is what is buy low and the sell high. So in the stock market, there is a old saying, buy low and sell high. What it mean here? The good trader will always trying to buy the stock when the price drop lower, and also the good trader trying to sell the stock or exit the trade when the price is higher. So when we look at this chart, let me shift this into 1 day time frame again. So when you look at this chart, you need to understand one thing. This is called a low point, because you can see there is nowhere the price was dropped before. This is a low point, and also this is the high point, because this is the first time it's reaching at this much higher. So a good trader, what you trying to do, he will always trying to buy here and exit the trade here, sell the stocks here. So which means you can make a lot of profit here, right? He enter here, he exit here. And also you need to understand, to do that it takes a lot of time. It's almost from here to here, it's like a 4 months, and 4 months time frame, it's really hard, right? 4 to 6 months actually. So 6 months, it's really huge, right? So this is where trader types come. A good trader not only can buy low and sell high, not only can do that in a months or years, and also he can do that in a minutes or the hours or the monthly or weekly time basis. So to do that, you can go into smaller time frames. So when you go to smaller time frame, also you can see buy low and sell high will work, because a good trader can enter a trade here and also can exit the trade. It depends on what type of technique you're using, and this is what you're going to learn, how you can trade in the smaller time frames, and how you can find those lows and high, how you can exit the market, when to enter a trade, when to exit a trade. And this video is going to be a lot more fun to you guys, and you're going to learn a lot of exciting stuff inside. And this is the first video, and the next basics what we're going to learn is called volatility. And when you look at here Tata Motors, and also you are seeing your numbers, right? So today you are seeing the arrow mark is down, which representing the market went down. When a red mark, where red candle appear, we said it's a bearish market. So that's what it happened today, bearish market today. And a price dropped to minus 0.145%. The variation price drop was minus 0.45 paisa, and the volatility it is 0.37%. So when you subtract this difference with the price, you will get a 0.37%. That is what we call volatility. So when we look at here, we understand the volatility what this stock had was minus 0.37, right? So there is a two types of volatility. One is negative and a positive. What we are seeing here, this is a negative. The positive will be in the green color. And you need to understand one thing mainly. A stock price will open in the morning and it will close at the end of trading session. But before that, it will make highs and lows, right? The price can be go higher and price can drop lower, but end of the day it will close. So closing, we consider what price it closed, right? Before that, it make a lot of highs and low. So this is all we call volatility. To understand it better, let's go back to the chart. And here you are seeing there is a lot of volatility here, right? The price been dropping here, again is gain, again is drop, again is gain, again drop, again. It's all called volatility. And for short-term trades, higher volatility is the better. So always the intraday traders or the short-term traders, they always look for the higher volatility stock, because that is the place where they can make higher profitable trades. So you're going to learn each and everything in upcoming videos as well. This is all just a basics. And this was the 3 basics today, guys. We learned how to read the chart, and what is buy low and sell high, and what is volatility. The next bonus chapter what I would like to give you is, I would like to show some progression of one of our students who start learning trading like a few months before, and now she start making a good progress with the demo account. So if you guys don't know what is demo trading where you can learn or where you can trade with the real market without using any money. This is like a fake money, and you will be able to make profit and losses. So you will be trading with the fake money but with the real market. And I'm going to show you a screen print how she made her progress, where she start and where she is right up to now. So let's go to that. And this is her demo trading, guys, and whatever the value seeing, this is all in a USD. She started her first trade on July 31st recently, and with the 100,000 of US dollar. So this is going to be a free amount that you're getting inside this demo account. And let me tell you, this is a paid version, so we going to teach you where you can make trades like this without spending any money. So there is an option inside the investing.com, so you're going to learn how to do demo trading inside the investing.com. And what you're saying, this is a paid version, and she made her first trade on July 31st, and she made $167. And after that, you can see she keep on making small amount of profits. But after that, if you go to till today, up to today, this last Friday, she made up $40,000. Overall, our profit value is $40,000, which is really good progress in terms of beginners, right? So when a beginner can make this much good trade, it's really good thing, and we really proud of our progression. And you can do it. Trust me, you can do it. You can do it a lot better than this as well. So all you have to do, you need to learn each and everything, and you have to follow them with the discipline, and you have to learn the technique properly. And it is possible, with anyone can do it. Trading is really fun, guys. It's not hard, or it's not a rocket science. Anyone can learn this. Apart from this, we also have our online course which we call 21 Day Trading Challenge, and this course included advanced and the basic lessons along with the intraday strategy, which is really important to anyone to become a professional profitable trader. And if you're looking forward to it, the course link on the description below. So grab your course today, and now hit the subscribe button, like the video, or drop us a comment. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.